Read o'clock story time. Today's story is Stick Your Tongue Out. Blue tongue, black tongue. Long tongue, strong tongue. Spiky tongue, sticky tongue. Rough tongue, smooth tongue. Forked tongue, fast tongue. Heavy tongue, hairy tongue. What is your tongue like? Let's talk about tongues. Did you know that tongues are made of muscle and are able to do many different things? Yet tongues never get tired or sore. Polar bears. Blue tongue absorbs the sun's heat to keep warm. Giraffe's tongue is dark, which protects it from sunburn in the African savanna. Pangolin puts its long tongue into ant hills to slurp up ants, its favorite snack. Salamander shoots out its powerful tongue to snatch crickets and fruit flies. Goose grips grass with its spiky tongue and tears it off to munch. Frog catches flies with its sticky saliva and stretchy tongue. Cat's rough tongue helps it to brush its fur. Dog cools off by sticking out his tongue that swells up when it gets too hot. Snake uses its forked tongue to smell its surrounding. Chameleon's tongue darts out with lightning speed to grab that grasshopper before it leaps away. Blue whale, the largest animal on earth, has the heaviest tongue that helps trap tiny krill that it loves to eat. Flamingo's hairy tongue helps filter blue, green algae and shrimps that are its favorite food. The end. Don't forget to like the video and share it as well. Do subscribe my channel if you are new so that all the new coming videos could reach you in time. Here are some stories which are already available on Read O'Clock Storytime: The Green Chicken and The Fox Who Wanted to Fly. Do visit my page, my channel, and I hope you are going to love them all. I'll see you soon with an amazing story. Till then, take very good care of yourself. Bye bye.